Hey guys, what is going on? Joseph Fulmer here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, kind of shifting gears a little bit. Behind me is my Woodland Mills HM126 sawmill. I'm going to give you a little overview of it real quick. But first, before I do that, please guys hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Don't forget to rate the video when it's all over with. Questions, put them in the comments. And please share these videos because the more they get shared, the more I am able to put more into this channel to give you guys more interesting content. So please, I hope you enjoy this. Anyway, back to this Woodland Mills sawmill. This is an HM126 that I bought, I believe, in 2013, if I remember correctly. The trailer that is sitting underneath of it, I actually built. It is 2x6 square rectangular tubing, and 1x1 tubing on top. And the 1x1 tubing is what the mill is actually bolted down to. So, and at the four corners, I have 4 jacks so that I can level the mill, and then I have 4 drop legs in the center. Now, this mill is a standard length mill with 1 extra track section on the end. I have a little bit more room on the trailer that I could add a little bit more track if I wanted to. But as of right now, I think I can get a 14-foot. I can mill a full 14-foot log if I remember correctly. It uses 144-inch by I believe it's 1¼ 7/8 pitch blades, and you can see this one I used a little bit last weekend. Was trying to get you guys a video, but the mill wasn't cooperating real well. The camera wasn't cooperating real well. It's got a 9.5 horse, Kohler command. You can see, and it actually runs really well. It's been sitting for about 1.5 years, so it's a little bit off right at the moment. Been trying to run some fuel system cleaner through it. And then over on this side, this is the dust chute over here. And I actually put this hook on here so I can hang a 5-gallon bucket and I collect the sawdust and use it for mulch or whatever. So we're going to get this fired up. We're going to throw up the cedar logs that are right here on the Bobcat. And I'm going to be milling out some 6x6s to build a throwing knife target because I bought my wife some throwing knives for Christmas. May not be the greatest idea, but stay tuned and I'll show you the video where we build the target. So let's get that going. And like I said, guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, share this video. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video with the HM126 sawmill. Bring in here where you can see. But I've got two 6x6s that are a little over 10 foot long, and then these 1x6s, and I've got a couple 2x4s over my other barn over there. So I'm going to be taking all those and turning them into a throwing knife target. So stay tuned for the next video when I actually build that target, and I will show you what I'm doing. And hopefully it turns out pretty neat. Got a plan in my head. I'm hoping it's going to work out the way I see it, and we're going to take it from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, rate it. Questions, throw them in the comments. If you have any questions about the sawmill, the trailer, how I built the trailer, any of those things, where I got a little narrow axle like that, any questions, please just ask me. I'd be more than happy to share it with you, maybe make a second video to answer some of your questions. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.